Yo, what's good, guys? Producer Mykah here, and today, guys, we're gonna be making a juicy Afro beat. You're definitely gonna love this one. And without wasting time, let's just go right into our DW. So we see what we're cooking today. Let's go. All right, so let's listen to just the vocal.
I'm not telling nobody if you contest, baby.
Yeah.
I'm not telling this your body to set, baby.
All right, so I'm gonna see, should I start with the drums or should I start with the vocals? So let's see. Okay, so I'm definitely starting with the drums, like a hip hop kind of groovy Afro bounce. So maybe it's gonna be Afro pop. Yeah, I like this rim shot. We have this. Start with this rim. Let's go to C5. So that's not like.
I'm not telling
Yeah, so I'm sure if once I put this rim shot, already know. And I'm using two different rim shots because I just need to have that difference.
I'm not telling nobody. I'm not telling nobody if you contest.
Yeah, so I can just turn on my metronome, just paint this all around.
I'm not telling nobody if you contest. I'm not telling nobody if you contest.
I think the next thing I want to just add is like a hi-hat just to give it some nice groove. So let's go add in some hi-hat. I think I want to have something like this. Yeah, let's just bring down the velocity a little bit down.
I'm not telling nobody.
Yeah, for the just a hat, then go to the open hat, just add.
I'm not telling nobody if you contest.
Yeah, simple, guys. Just drag that. I will have a very nice drum.
I'm not telling nobody if you contest.
I'm just gonna go over to splice. And with the splice, I just need a nice kick from splice. Yeah, let's go with this. Let's put this down.
I'm not telling nobody. I'm not telling nobody if you. I'm not telling nobody if you contest.
Then I think I might just add it like a percussion groove.
I'm not telling nobody if you contest, baby. I'm not telling this your body to set, baby.
Okay. Yeah, I think that's okay. So I'm just gonna drag this down here. So we have another like loop. Yeah, we have this and I like it. So I'm just gonna select this and consolidate this in with. Yeah, so I feel like I have my drum groove.
If you give me chance, I go undress, yeah.
Nice.
I'm not telling baby.
So then next we could just go straight into creating our melodies, and I'm just gonna use Omnisphere.
I'm not telling nobody if you contest, baby. I'm not telling this your body to set.
Yeah, okay, so yeah, I have this now. So I can just quantize it.
I'm not telling nobody if you contest, baby. I'm not telling this your body to set, baby.
Yeah, I think let's go with this. F minor.
Nobody if you contest, baby. I'm not telling this your body to set, baby. If you give me chance, I go undress, yeah. Like I did see something.
Let's record that.
Like I did see something. I mean, I want to go something. Baby, make us sell something. If you love me, then want to come on me. Like I did see.
I don't think that stuff is on key. I don't think it's on key, but yeah, we're gonna put it on key.
Like I did see. Baby, make us sell something. If you love me, then want to come. Baby, make us sell something. If you love me, then want to come. Baby, make us sell something. If you love me, then want to come on me.
Yeah, perfect.
Baby, show money.
Nice. I feel like this is vibrating too much. Let's go to the effects. I think I'll turn off the smoke echo. Yeah.
Like I did see something. I mean, I want to go something. Like I did see something. I mean, I want to go something. Baby, make us sell something. If you love it, I want to come on me.
Yeah, so next, let's add in like, I'm just adding like 808 piece to solidify, solidify. Yeah, put the 808 here. Let's add. So I'm moving from the 2.
Like I did see something. 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 I mean, I want to. Like I did see something. I mean, I want to go something. Like I did see something. I mean, I want to go 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 something. Baby, make us sell something. I mean, I want to go something. Baby, make us sell something. If you love it, I mean, I want to go something. Baby, make us sell something. I mean, I want to go something. Baby, make us sell something. If you love it, I mean, something. If you love it, I want to come on me. Something. If you love it, I want to come on me. Something. If you love it, I want to come on me. Something. If you love it, I want to come on me. Something. If you love it, I want to come on me.
So just something simple like this. But as you can see, it's actually clashing with our kick. So we're just going to try to sidechain that, put it in the right pocket. So, come over to...
Like I did see something. I mean, I want to go something. Baby, make us sell something. If you love it, I want to come on me. Baby, show money. I want to wine something. Like I did see something. I mean, I want to go something. Baby, make us sell something. If you love it, I want to come on me.
Yes, I think I can add like some drum feel just to keep the whole groove alive, man. Nice, I love it. Let's go with it.
Baby, wine something. Baby, wine. Baby, wine something. Baby, wine something. Baby, make us sell something. If you love it, I want to come on me. Baby, show money.
Another layer of melody. So let's see.
Like I did see something. I mean, I want to go something. Baby, make us sell something. If you love it, I want to come on me. Baby, show money. I want to wine something. Wine something, baby, show something. Baby, wine something.
So from the intro, I can add.
I'm not telling nobody if you contest, baby.
I'm gonna add clip time bass for just the intro. Let's bring down the gain.
Contest, baby. I'm a contest, baby. I'm a tell this your body to set, baby.
Yeah, so yeah, this vibe will just go with something simple.
I'm a tell nobody if you contest, baby. I'm a tell this your body to set, baby. If you give me chance, I go undress, yeah. I'm a tell baby you the baddest, yeah. Like I did see something. I mean, I'm a tell nobody if you contest, baby.
That's the same thing playing all through.
I'm a tell nobody if you contest.
Just the master plan, just to make everything sit, really well and hits nice.
I'm a tell nobody if you contest, baby. I'm a tell this your body to set, baby. If you give me chance, I go undress, yeah. I'm a kind of baby, you the baddest, baddest, yeah. Be like I did see something. I mean, I want to go something. Baby, make us your body. If you love me, then want to come on me. Baby, show money. Now want to wine nothing. Man nothing, baby, show nothing. Baby, wine nothing. I'm a kind of nobody if you contest, baby.
I'm thinking of adding like an organ.
I'm a kind of nobody if you contest, baby.
Yeah, guys, so we have like a solid vibe. Let me just mute the vocal. Let's just hear it be. Yeah, so this sounds amazing. I mean, the vocals, it's a vibe. It's the vocals. You have like a full song already, man. Amazing.
I'm a kind of nobody if you contest, baby. I'm a kind of dish your body to set, baby. If you give me chance, I go undress, yeah. I'm a kind of baby, you the baddest, yeah. Be like I did see something. I mean, I want to go something. Baby, make us your body. If you love me, then want to come on me. Baby, show money. Now want to wine nothing. Man nothing, baby, show nothing. Baby, wine nothing.
Alright, guys, so I hope you got something from this. If you did, don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe to this channel for more amazing videos, and if you want to get this FLP, you just have to be in the Patreon, or you could just go to my website and just get it for yourself. In case you don't want to be on the Patreon, you could just go get this particular FLP on the website. So thank you guys for watching, and see you guys in the next one. Peace.